Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Confidence in hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you successful person. Never explain yourself to anyone because the person who likes you doesn't need it, and the person who dislikes you won't believe it. Don't compare yourself to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to the other people, the more they will reflect it back. Successful people always have two things on their lips. Number one, silence, and number two, smile. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Success is not permanent and failure is not final. Never stop working after success, never stop trying after failure. Adjustment is not important in life, but understanding is most important in a life. The difference between school and life: in school, you're taught a lesson and then given a test. In life, you're given a test, then teaches you a lesson. A father retires at 60, but a mother never retires. She works for her husband, she works for her children. She looks after her grandchildren, she looks after everyone. Everyone retires, but mothers never retire. I'm not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who need help because beauty is required in heart, not in face. Suffering is the essence of success.